Okay, here we go. False alarm. Yeah, he's got to be scared being up there, eh?
I don't think he's scared. He's probably done it before.
No, but like, if these guys don't pull the right way, the frickin' tree could fall, can grab him on the way down, eh?
Yeah.
With the wind.
True.
I'd be frickin' scared.
What you want to do that?
What's that?
I'd be freaking scared.
Well, hey, we have to pay attention because we'll be doing this next week when they pull out. Look at that tree over there that's going to come down, right? Yeah, right over there. Heinz will be up there and I'll be on the rope.
I'll be yelling orders.
That's why I feel like that head guy should be here, so JPC what's to go.
Did you tell them the problem we had when we had the truck pulling on that tree there? Eh? And the goddamn tree went the other way.
Here we go.
Okay. Let's go, kids. This is pay the big one. Whoa! False alarm. There's my battery. Oh my god, I am going to run out of batteries. Okay.